Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies, and we're going to show you our Hug 3 jersey-shaped koozie.
Stay tuned. Okay, so today in this video, we are working with our koozie. This is a jersey-style koozie. It is a nice neoprene material, and then of course your white sublimation surface to supplement on. So let's get started.
Okay, we did our design using Photoshop, and we did use our F570 sheet feeder. So I did print both front and back. I'm going to go ahead and trim that up. And adhere this to the front. And I'm using our thermal tape to stick it on there, and we're ready for pressing.
Thank you. Okay, we are using our standard 16x20 press today. I am going to place a piece of silicone down on our bottom platen to protect our bottom and our top platen. And a transfer goes with the image face down. I'm going to sandwich that in between. And today we are pressing at 400 degrees for 35 seconds at a medium pressure. Okay, so we are ready. This is going to be a hot peel, so we are going to remove immediately. And we are going to remove in a nice, smooth, consistent motion to avoid any ghosting. Just let it cool so we can do the other side.
Okay, now that it's cooled, we're going to go ahead and do the second side. And same process as the first, we're just going to stick this on here with our thermal tape. So I went ahead and put the tape on the inner part of it just so I didn't affect the colors of the first side. And we are ready.
Thank you. Okay, so we are going to use the same process as before. I am going to use a silicone sheet, and I'm going to be flipping this, and I'm going to be placing my image face down. Okay, once we're covered, we are going to press at 400 degrees for 35 seconds at a medium pressure. Okay, so same process as before, and we do have thermal gloves on hand, just in case, for protection. Again, nice, smooth, consistent motion. I'm gonna let it cool for just a minute. Okay, and now you have one personalized koozie. So again, this is the perfect item for those long neck beverages. Anything else you want in there, Mary?
Yeah, if you like our design, be sure to check out our digital marketplace.
And thank you for watching our video tutorial. Don't forget to check out our product instructions and templates available online at coastalbusiness.com. We'll see you next time.